In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a standing order in Monzo. A standing order is a simple way to send the same amount of money to the same place on a regular schedule, perfect for things like rent, savings, or contributions to a shared bill. Once it's set, Monzo takes care of it automatically, so you don't have to remember each month. Start by opening the Monzo app on your phone. From the home screen, look along the bottom of the app and tap the Payments tab. This is where all your transfers and money movements live. Next, head into Scheduled Payments. This section shows any recurring payments you already have, and it's also where you'll create a new one. Tap Add Scheduled Payment to begin. Monzo will guide you through a short setup flow. You'll be asked to enter the bank account details you want to pay, add the recipient's name and their bank details carefully. Take a moment to double check everything before moving on. Mistyped details can send money to the wrong place, and it can be hard to recover once it's gone. At the top of the screen, make sure you select Scheduled rather than One-Off. One-Off sends money just once right now. Scheduled tells Monzo to repeat the payment for you automatically, which is exactly what a standing order is for. Now, choose how often the payment should be sent. You can pick a frequency like weekly or monthly, depending on what suits your situation. If you're paying rent or a subscription, align it with the usual cycle so it lands when it should. Keep in mind that bank processing can vary on weekends and holidays, so choosing a business day can help keep things predictable. After that, enter the amount for the standing order. Make it the exact figure you want sent each time. It's wise to consider your balance around those dates so the payment can go through smoothly. If your budget changes later, you'll be able to adjust the amount or schedule from the same scheduled payments area. Finally, review and confirm the details. Check the recipient, the frequency, the amount, and that it's set to scheduled. When everything looks right, confirm, and your standing order is now set up. That's it. The payment will now go out automatically on the schedule you chose with no extra work from you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, keep this flow handy the next time you need a reliable automatic payment in Monzo.